Have you ever wondered how to propagate quinoa from seeds? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to delve into the process, breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, you'll need to secure some materials. You'll require quinoa seeds, seedling trays or small pots, potting mix or well-draining soil, a watering can, plastic wrap or a transparent cover, and a warm, well-lit location. Let's start with seed selection. It's crucial to obtain high-quality quinoa seeds from a reliable source. Look for seeds that are plump, healthy, and show no signs of damage or disease. While not a necessity, some growers choose to soak their quinoa seeds before planting. This can speed up the germination process. If you decide to do this, remember to rinse the seeds thoroughly after soaking. Next is the planting process. Fill your seedling trays or small pots with a well-draining potting mix. Plant the quinoa seeds about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep, and space them at least 2 inches apart. Once planting is complete, it's time to water. Quinoa prefers well-draining soil, so ensure that the soil is moist but not waterlogged. To create a humid environment that encourages germination, cover the trays or pots with plastic wrap or a transparent cover. This helps to retain moisture. Place your trays or pots in a warm, well-lit location. Quinoa seeds typically germinate within 2 to 4 days. Once the seedlings emerge, remove the plastic cover. When the quinoa seedlings have developed a couple of true leaves, they can be transplanted into larger containers or directly into the garden. The final planting location should receive full sun. Quinoa plants prefer well-draining soil and thrive in sunny conditions. Keep the soil consistently moist, and once the plants mature, they will produce seed heads that can be harvested when the seeds are dry and hard. In summary, quinoa propagation from seeds involves seed selection, optional soaking, planting, watering, covering, germination, transplanting, and care till harvest. Remember, quinoa is a hardy plant that adapts to various conditions, but it generally prefers well-drained, sandy loam soil and cooler temperatures. Typically, quinoa is grown as an annual, completing its life cycle in one growing season. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to propagate your own quinoa seeds. Happy gardening!